Hi, my name is Nick Hatcher. This is my wife, Lisa, and we have been farming in Liberal, Kansas here since I started in 1980. We combined our family farm with my farm in around 1999, and we are having an equipment auction. This is a retirement auction.
We just decided life is short and we want to enjoy it.
Yeah. I can't tell you how many days Christmases we've been on the farm feeding cattle and during the summer missing ball games, baseball games because we're putting up hay or doing something, and we decided that there's more to this life than just work, and so here we are. So I invite you to come look at our equipment. We have shedded all the equipment that we possibly could in a warehouse that we own here in town.
And we would like to invite you to the open house. We would like to invite you to come out, check out all the equipment, and get your hands on it yourself.
We have a family environment here. Good people that have worked for us over the years. We're a great community.
Very blessed.
Very blessed to have and seen and done what we've done, so thank you.